So a quick update on the Xplore range. Elldis have released some pictures of the new models, which differ slightly from the models I showed in a previous news video. So these are the new models that replace the Xplore 304 and the other old Xplore models. Slightly different outsides than before, and they've got a whole new interior, which I'll show on the next pictures. So just take these in, and hopefully we'll get to see some of these at the NEC show next week, and we'll show you around it.